to Kiddy Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started!
First, we draw the upper outline of the van. Look, the top shape of our van is ready. Now on the left side, let's draw the headlight. Next, we draw the front window. The driver will sit here and drive the van. Now let's draw the door. Open the door and hop inside. On the right side, we draw the big ice cream selling window. This is where yummy ice creams are served. Now on the bottom right side, let's draw the backlights. Next, we draw two big circular tires. Round and round wheels help the van move. Now draw a straight line at the bottom to complete the van. Now on the top front, let's draw a speaker. This speaker plays the ice cream music. And on the top, we draw a big ice cream. Yummy! It looks so delicious. First, color the speaker. We color it pink and blue just like in the picture. Now color the ice cream. First, color the scoop green. Then color the cone orange. Next, color the front window blue. It looks bright and shiny. Now color the top shade of the selling window. Use white and red for the stripes. And color the bottom part pink. Next, color the door yellow. And color the door handle green. Color the front and back lights purple and brown. Now color the tires. Inner part pink. Outer part blue. Finally, color the whole van dark green.
Wow, that was such a fun drawing! If you enjoyed it, we'll see you in the next video with another fun idea. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, kiddos!